As we showcased in the last video where we discussed the easiest ways to identify different aircraft types, today in this short video we will discuss and analyze the blended wing body, in short BWB design configuration of an aircraft. This is a revolutionary design for both military and civilian aircraft, combining the main body with the wings. Jai Hind dosto. Thank you once again for joining AirPra. Let's get started. Unlike conventional aircraft, which have distinct cylindrical fuselage and wing components, the BWB design features a seamless transition between the body and wings, resembling a flattened triangular shape. This innovative configuration merges the fuselage and wings into a single smoothly blended structure. The design offers several potential advantages, including improved aerodynamic efficiency, reduced drag, and increased fuel economy compared to traditional tube and wing configurations. Blended wing body, also known as a hybrid wing body or lifting aerofoil fuselage, is a fixed-wing aircraft with no distinct dividing line between the wings and the main body. The wings and body are seamlessly integrated into a unified structure. Notably, the BWB design eliminates the need for a distinct vertical tail. In a BWB design analysis, engineers assess various factors such as aerodynamic performance, structural integrity, stability, and control characteristics using advanced computational tools, wind tunnel testing, and computer simulations. They investigate how parameters such as wing sweep, aspect ratio, and engine placement affect the aircraft's overall performance and handling qualities. Furthermore, BWB designs offer the potential for greater internal volume, increased passenger or cargo capacity, and novel cabin layout possibilities. However, challenges remain regarding passenger comfort, emergency egress, and compatibility with airport infrastructure. They are key factors associated with the design that need to be addressed in the future. Overall, the BWB design analysis represents a promising avenue for future aircraft development, potentially revolutionizing air transportation by offering improved efficiency, capacity, and performance compared to traditional aircraft configurations. The blended wing body aircraft is a major change from traditional plane designs. It started with early experiments and ideas and was proposed as a big shift from the usual tube and wing planes. In the mid-20th century, improvements in aerodynamics and materials allowed engineers to seriously explore this new design. In the early 1920s, Russian aviation engineer Nicholas Voevodsky developed a theory for the blended wing body. Building on a similar idea, the British constructed a plane called the Westland Dreadnought. However, it encountered a stall during its first flight in 1924, which caused serious injuries to the pilot and led to the project being cancelled. The concept was revisited in the 1940s with the Mills M.26 airliner project, resulting in the Mills M.30 X-Miner research plane. At the same time, the American McDonnell XP-67 Interceptor also flew in 1944, but did not meet expectations. In the 1990s, NASA and various aerospace companies such as the McDonnell Douglas and Boeing began extensive research and development into BWB designs. The potential for enhanced aerodynamic efficiency, reduced fuel consumption, and increased payload capacity drove this initiative. These efforts led to the creation of scaled-down prototypes and concept demonstrators such as the Boeing X-48 and NASA's X-48B. Airbus is working on a blended wing body design as a possible replacement for traditional aircraft. In June 2019, they flew a small model of this design for the first time in a program called Maverick, which is a model aircraft for validation and experimentation of robust, innovative controls. Airbus hopes this project will help reduce CO2 emissions by up to 50% compared to 2005 levels. In 2020, Airbus also introduced a BWB concept as part of its Zero Echo initiative and demonstrated a small prototype of the aircraft. In 2023, California-based startup JetZero revealed a project that aims to carry passengers, transport cargo, and serve as a refueling tanker for military aircraft. They are focusing on the new mid-market airplane category using existing 160 kilonewton engines. In August 2023, the United States Air Force awarded JetZero a $235 million contract, with the first flight of a full-scale demonstrator expected by early 2027. The goal of this contract is to show the potential of blended wing body technology, giving both the Department of Defense and the commercial industry new options for future aircraft. Following this development, JetZero received clearance from the Federal Aviation Administration for test flights of its Pathfinder, a blended wing demonstrator designed to significantly reduce drag and fuel consumption. This innovative design could potentially cut emissions by 50%. JetZero plans to develop full-scale variants for passengers, cargo, and military use by 2030. However, the project faces challenges in certification and integration with existing airport infrastructure. Currently, no fully operational contemporary military aircraft use a pure blended wing body design. But several prototypes and concept models have been developed, especially for future military applications. Some notable examples include Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit. While not a true BWB, the B-2 features a flying wing design with some blended elements, reducing its radar signature and improving aerodynamic efficiency. Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider, a next-generation long-range stealth bomber currently under development as of 2024. Believed to have BWB-like characteristics aimed at maximizing stealth and payload efficiency. The Tupolev PAK-DA is an upcoming Russian stealth bomber designed to replace older models like the Tu-95. Based on design images, the PAK-DA will resemble a blended wing body concept, integrating the wings and fuselage into a single, smooth shape to reduce radar signature and increase fuel efficiency. The B-1B Lancer and Tupolev Tu-160 are advanced military bombers, but They are not true blended wing body designs. They are designed as supersonic variable swift wing bombers, incorporating certain aerodynamic features that contribute to performance optimization. Today, the BWB concept is still developing, with research focusing on passenger comfort, safety, and regulations. While we are not yet seeing full-scale commercial BWB aircraft, recent progress suggests this design could greatly impact the future of air travel, offering benefits like better environmental sustainability, efficiency, and passenger experience. Click the link in the description below to read the complete article on airpra.com. We'll be back in a few days with a weapon to showcase exclusively. Yes, you heard right, with a weapon to showcase exclusively. Until then, stay updated and take care. See you next time. Ciao.